birds fucking eating their fucking food again. The two of them are fighting that one right there. Poor little guy, huh? Anyways, those two fuckers right there, those two that I'm pointing at by the food bowl, are fucking hogging all the food from him. And yes, I can get one of them on my finger.
Dude, I'm getting lasered to death. Holy fuck! What the hell is happening? Oh crap!
It's kind of scaring me right now. You're eating. That one I can get on. He doesn't want it. Fucking toys are in my way. Come on. Come on. Come on. Ugh. You guys can see he's kind of wanting to get on my finger, but you know he's mean. Come on. Come on. Good boy. Never mind. Fucking ninjas you off my fucking finger then. Fucking dumb birds.